Living in Florida means access to incredible weather, but trying to enjoy an open patio usually means battling mosquitoes, constantly sweeping up yard debris, and dealing with a total lack of privacy. You find yourself putting up with daily cleaning routines, constant insect intrusion, and zero privacy from the neighbors. These physical compromises add up quickly. Upgrading your home with a premium screen enclosure solves these issues entirely. But the primary hurdle for most homeowners is staring down a daunting single lump sum payment to get it built. So the project gets shelved. You decide to save up for another year, choosing to protect your emergency cash reserves while continuing to endure an outdoor space you can't fully enjoy. Does writing a massive single check have to be the only option to get your enclosure built this year? When you calculate the hours spent cleaning, the lack of privacy, and the months you avoid sitting outside, delaying the project often costs you more in missed enjoyment than the upgrade itself. Utilizing verified contractor financing changes the equation. It takes a prohibitive upfront cost and turns it into manageable cash flow. To make this possible, Screen Factory Florida partners directly with Synchrony Bank, bringing institutional-grade reliability to your home improvement plan. In this guide, we are going to break down the exact, transparent mechanics of the Screen Factory Florida financing program. By the end of this video, you will know exactly if a buy now, pay later structure is a safe, viable path for your specific property. Fully understanding these financial numbers before a contractor even steps foot in your yard is the smartest way to remove the anxiety from a major home upgrade. Every new enclosure project begins with a mandatory entry point, a 20% upfront down payment based on your total contract amount. This initial deposit does two specific things. First, it locks in your project price, and second, it immediately initiates the custom 3D design and municipal permitting phases. The practical trade-off is that you must have this 20% cash on hand today. The Synchrony Bank financing program is designed exclusively to cover your remaining balance. There is one strict threshold rule to keep in mind. To qualify for these installment plans, the remaining balance you wish to finance must equal $10,000 or more. This hybrid approach, putting cash down and financing the rest, protects your emergency savings while greenlighting your project immediately. This matrix shows two distinct paths for covering that remaining balance, forcing you to match the financing to your personal monthly budget tolerance. Under Plan A, you secure a 0% interest rate spanning a term of up to 18 months. The trade-off for paying zero interest to the bank is tight cash flow. You are required to clear the balance in a shorter time frame, resulting in significantly higher monthly payments. Plan B offers a fixed annual percentage rate of 7.99%, stretched over 61 months, which is roughly 5 years. Because the term is longer, your monthly payments remain small and predictable. The cost is that you will pay interest over the life of the loan. The right choice comes down entirely to whether you prioritize avoiding interest altogether, or if minimizing your monthly cash burn rate is more important. It is completely normal to worry about aggressive sales tactics when discussing financing. That is why this application process is completely paperless and done privately on your own smartphone. You simply open a secure email link or scan a QR code. From there, you get an instant credit decision and an account number directly from Synchrony Bank. If your solo application is declined, you can instantly pivot and submit a joint application with a spouse or co-homeowner to secure the funds. The final administrative step is electronically signing the sales slip. This ensures your selected financing terms are locked in upfront, with zero ambiguity. The ultimate safety guarantee of this process is that your credit account is explicitly not charged until the physical installation is 100% complete and you are satisfied. Getting approved for a bank loan is a great first step, but safe financing requires a reliable contractor to actually execute the physical build. These financing options apply across the board, whether you need custom pool cages, motorized screens, or hurricane shutters anywhere in Florida. Avoiding hidden fees and shoddy workmanship requires engaging a contractor with verifiable transparency and strong third-party credibility markers. Screen Factory Florida backs up their work with a top-tier A+ Better Business Bureau rating and a 4.9-star rating on Google. Operationally, 95% of the company's orders successfully navigate the municipal permit process before installation. A great financing plan is useless without a great contractor, making these credibility markers a non-negotiable part of your decision. Remember, a free 3D design and physical measurement phase occurs before any money changes hands, ensuring complete alignment on your final product. Using a structured financing plan turns a project you were pushing off for someday into an immediate lifestyle upgrade without draining your savings. Request a free measurement and consultation today to discover how a 0% financing option can make this project a reality for you this season. Call 239-539-3677 or visit screenfactoryflorida.com to get started. Florida homeowners shouldn't put their outdoor comfort and property protection on hold when manageable financial tools are readily available.